I put it back on. He uses the wall. Look. He's using the rope too to hold on to his paws in the rope. I don't know if you can see it. I think. Yeah. You see there? You see that? So he's balancing himself to get it. It's a smart dog, I tell you. He figures things out. We need to be cautious with this dude. Look at where his arm is. He's holding on. Look. Oh! That's the soft side, I think. Oh, that's the hard side. Careful with your teeth, boo-boo. He pulled a little piece. Yay, you got a little piece. I get nervous for his teeth too, though. That's the soft side, so that's fine with me. He's probably gonna get tired. It's a good exercise for him.